Vericom's VGS Field Terminable Category 6 UTP plug is easy to terminate without any special tools. The plug comes in 3 parts: plug assembly, termination cap, and the strain relief nut. To make a termination, first strip the cable a minimum of 15 mm. Slide the strain relief nut over the cable. Insert the wires into the termination cap and lay them to the correct positions. Cut the excess wires off. Put the termination cap into position on the plug assembly, with the arrows on the termination cap and jack facing the same direction. Close the plug assembly jaws, clicking them into the closed position. Fasten down the strain relief nut. If you have any questions or would like more information about Vericom's VGS Field Terminable Category 6 UTP plug, contact us today.